take a look at this question here. The point A, negative 512, lies on the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared equals 169. Which of the following would represent the cosine of an angle drawn in standard position whose terminal ray passes through A? So let's talk about a few things here. They're giving me point A, negative 512. So if I have a negative x and a positive y, I know that I'm in quadrant 2. I also know that in quadrant 2, my cosine, because that's what they're looking for, they're asking for the cosine is x. So my x needs to be negative, because I'm in quadrant 2, so I'm going to cross off choice 4, because I know that my cosine has to be a negative answer. They also told me that I was on a circle of the equation x squared plus y squared equals 169. So that means the center of my circle is 0, 0, because nothing is being added or subtracted to x or y, and my radius is 13. So I can draw a picture using this information. So here's my circle. Here's my point. My radius is 13. They told me that this was the point A, negative 512. So that means that my x value here is negative 5, and my y value here is 12. So now you have a right angle, and there is your theta. So they want to know which of the following would represent the cosine of an angle drawn in standard position. So here's my angle in standard position that I'm used to. But remember that this is our reference angle, so I can refer to that angle when I find the cosine. So cosine of that angle is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse according to SOHCAHTOA. So adjacent is negative 5 and my hypotenuse is 13. So my answer is choice 3. And just like we predicted, it should be negative because I'm in quadrant 2 and cosine is x, which is negative in quadrant 2.